In this video, I'll be showing how to replace the upper radiator hose junction on a Nissan Sentra. It is located under the hood. Let's get started. First, we're going to open our hood and locate our radiator cap. Before you remove this, ensure the vehicle is cool, especially if you've recently driven it. Just twist counterclockwise and set it aside. We're going to start off by raising and supporting our vehicle and locating our splash shield. There are 2 clips on each side. I'll be removing them with a trim tool. Now repeat the process for the other side. Now we could go ahead and locate the 4 10mm bolts on the front portion of the splash shield and remove them. Hold the splash shield up. And set it aside. Now that splash shield is out of the way, we could go ahead and locate our radiator. Here's our drain plug. I'm going to pull it out. Remember to have a proper collection receptacle under the vehicle so you don't make a mess. Now just wait until that completely drains out. Now that it's going to a drip, I could go ahead and reinstall my drain plug. I'm going to hold the nipple down while I turn clockwise. Just going to snug it up. Now I'm going to clean up any excess coolant. Now that we're back in the engine bay, I'm going to go ahead and locate these 2 radiator hose clamps and one for the coolant reservoir. I'll be using some pliers to remove these. Just grip it and slide it down. If you're having trouble removing it, simply use a pick and go along the edges to break the seal free. Inspect for any damage and set it aside. Now I'm going to move on to my 2 radiator hose clamps. Simply slide these back. And now just twist and pull. That's one. And there's the other one. Next, see there's 2 10mm bolts holding the radiator hose junction. Simply remove those. And set it aside. Now let's go on and install our new radiator hose junction. Gonna slide it in. Put the hose over. Align the hose and hand thread on the 2 10mm bolts. I'm just gonna both snug these down. I'm just gonna snug both of these down. Make sure it's secure. So I'm going to go ahead and put the hoses back on. Until it meets the end right here. Same for the other one. As you can see, the white is aligned with the tabs. Now for the reservoir bottle hose. Just slide it over. And keep pushing until it stops. Now we'll reinstall our clamps. Make sure they land on the previous positions and make sure they're secure. Slide it over and release. I'm going to get my splash shield and reinstall the 4 push pin clips, 2 on each side. Now for my 4 10mm bolts, I'm just going to snug these down. Now before you lower your vehicle, ensure your drain plug is tight before you fill it up with any coolant. So now we're going to go ahead and refill our cooling system. Feel free to use your old coolant if it's still in good shape. If not, recycle it. I'm going to go and fill up the coolant. I have a spill-free funnel. We could go ahead and squeeze the radiator hose. So now we're going to go ahead and run the vehicle. Run until you see no more bubbles in the funnel. Top off if necessary. After that, we're going to go ahead and remove the funnel, reinstall our radiator cap, and take the vehicle for a road test. After that, ensure there's no leaks and your vehicle is not overheating. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.